G'day YouTube. So it's been a while since my last video. I apologize for that. We'll be back to a regular upload schedule real soon. But I'm Gadget Overflow. I'm Beau, and today we've got a pretty fantastic unboxing video for you. So the last video caused a bit of controversy, whatever that word is. Don't know. And there were a lot of really hate-filled letters and emails and things that I got. Even a carrier pigeon at one stage. That was kind of weird, but he was kind of tasty. Anyway, so let's move on to the unboxing video. So today we have this, which was sent to us by Google. And I'm not too sure what it is, but let's, she looks pretty big. Let's open it up and take a look. Now, as you can see, Australia Post kind of mangled the thing already. And that's a bit of a problem, but that's all right. Let's just, go ahead and open this up. Oh, she's a bit empty in there, mate. There's a big box, but not really too much in there. Oh, give me a second here. Oh, sweet. So, let's get this out of the way. That's just shit now. We don't want that. What we have here is this is a controller from that new Stadia thing that Google's coming to do. So, what the hell? Let's find out who that is and who's knocking on my lab door. What the hell? Alright, okay then, thanks mate. Thanks for that. Weirdo. Alright then, so we got this new box here. Who cares about this Stadia shit now? Right, so, this is mysterious and this is interesting. So, this guy just came to me door. I'll show you what that looks like as well. If I haven't already, I probably have. But he gave me this box. Now, I don't know what's in the box.
What's in the box?
I don't know who the guy was. Looked kind of weird. But, mystery boxes, they're always a winner. Now, this is the Pelly 1450 case from Pelly Products SLU. Now, I think SLU is like a country in Europe somewhere, like the States of Living United or something. It says made in Europe, so I think it's in Europe. But anyway, let's find out what's in this box. So, the thing is with this one, it came from some mob called Asus. And they're the motherboard manufacturer and they do all that kind of stuff. But on the delivery thing, they misspelled their own name. It was ASIS. That's really funny, because how do you misspell your own name? It's like me misspelling Beau. It's B-O-U? Oh, I don't know. Anyway, let's move on to unboxing. So, let's take a look here. With these Pelly cases, they are built really super tough, so you can hear that there's something in there. It's really kind of heavy. I'm not too sure what's going to be. Let's pop the little latches and take a look. And what the hell is this? What is going on? This is not good. This is real bad. I'm gonna need some help with this.